Hi everyone, and welcome back to your awesome English lesson. Now today we are going to do something really interesting, and I'm going to prove how good at English you have become. So let's learn something first. Now you'll see it here. We are going to learn the ing ending of a word. This means action, okay? Action. If I say walk, like maybe there's a picture, I'll put a picture here. There's a picture of a person walk, right? It's walk. She is walk. It doesn't make sense, right? Because you do this. It is an action. It's an activity. She is walking. Yes, ing means she is walking. Okay, she's moving. Something is changing, happening. Ing. Okay, so the ing means that it's happening. It keeps happening. She's walk? No, she's walking. I talk? No, I'm talking. I'm still talking. I'm still talking. It's easy, right? Let's practice this, and then we are going to do something kind of interesting. This will be your first time doing it too. Okay, first. Yes. So what is this? This is shop, right? This is shop. But it's an action. It's an activity. An activity. So let's add the ing on this. What is this? This is shopping. Shopping. Yeah. She. It's a woman. She is shopping. Okay, she's shopping. What is that? That's tomatoes. That's vegetables, right? She is shopping, but I'm going to give you another word. She is buy, right? You go to the store and you buy a tomato. She is, put the ing on it. She is buying. Exactly. See how easy this is? She's shopping for vegetables, for food. She is buying tomatoes. She's buying carrots. She is buying food. Do you see? We take that verb and put the ing to make it an action. Talk. Talking, I'm still talking, okay? It's something that's happening. You're so smart that we're going to do this fast. This is awesome. These are the lessons that I really like because they are fast. You know, oh, I get it, teacher. Let's keep going. Number 2. What is this? Go. I just said, let's keep going, right? We're doing something. What is she doing? She is going. She's going down. She's going, I don't know. I think that's a shopping mall or a big store. She is going shopping. Yeah. She's going to buy food. Ooh, look at that. So this is going. I'm going home. We are going to read. We are going surfing. That sounds fun. Yeah. We are going swimming. We are swimming. See that? The ing thing is pretty easy. She is going to a new store. Yeah. What does she have in her hand? Do you see that? What is in her hand? Coffee, maybe, or tea. What do you do with coffee? Ooh, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. What is it? Drink. We learned that before. We drink. She's drinking a coffee. She's drinking. Yeah, she's drinking. Look at that. We add the ing to make all of these actions, these activities. We show that something is happening. This is cool, right? Now, this ing thing, this ending is very important because when you start to speak, you start speaking, you will see that you use this ending a lot. It's used all the time. What are you doing? I'm watching TV. What are you doing? I'm working. Shh. Let's take a look at number 3. What are they doing? Huh. Well, we don't know if it's a boy or a girl. I think it's a boy. So I can say, what are they doing? We don't know. What is this person? We learned the word person, or one person, last lesson. What is this person doing? What are they doing? Make. Okay. What are they making? A paper airplane. It's an airplane. Yeah. They are making something. Yeah. So let's think about this. We make, I want to set my notebook to stay. My notebook so I don't throw it again. We make with our hands, right? I make food. That's not food, but I make a paper airplane. I make something with my hands. I make a house. I make food. I make a pizza. Yeah. Lots of you like to make pizzas. I was surprised. I do too. This person is making a paper airplane. This person is making a red paper airplane. A small red paper airplane. Oh. You're getting really good at this. It's easy to add the details. Okay, so now we all understand ing. I get it. Ing, reading, speaking, eating, talking. Let's try something. Because I know that you can do this with all of the stuff, all that we have learned in the last 5 or 6 lessons. You ready to try something? I'm going to show you how much English you know, how much you can speak. Let's look at this real quick. Now I want you to look at it. Think about all that we have learned. What is happening? What can you see? Remember, it's not just ing, the ing ending. Go back, think back. We're going to practice. Remember what we've learned. What do you see? Take a second. What is this? Person? Person? People. We learned that last time. People. So they are people. Oh, that's weird, right? They are people? No. They are friends. Yeah, they are friends. Okay, okay. Let's keep going. They are friends. Now, what are they doing? What are they doing? They are eating. Right? They're eating. There's food. There is food. They are eating. They are drinking. Hey, how are you? I'm fine, thanks. How are you? Oh, I'm good, yeah. Did you see that show on TV? Yeah. They're talking. They are talking. They are eating. They are drinking. They are talking. They are friends. Okay, that's easy. What else? What else do you see? Use the stuff from before. How about like? They like talking. Yeah, they like talking. They like bread. They like bread. Yeah, I like bread. I really like bread. What else? Well, we said talking, so they can talk. They can talk. They like talking. They can talk. They like talking. Can you make a negative? So they don't like what? Do you see fish? I don't see fish. They don't like fish. Yeah, they're not eating fish. They don't like eating they don't like eating fish. We can take the things that we've learned from before and put them with the actions. They don't like eating fish. They don't want to drink milk. They don't have any milk. They have a lot of bread. They want bread. They like bread. They like eating bread. How much bread? They have lots of bread. They are friends that like eating bread. What else? We've got like, we have can, we have want. Think of all the things that we have learned. How can you describe this scene? What's happening? We have a table. So they have a big table. They have many chairs. Let's make a story with all of these sentences we just said. Okay? I threw my book again. Okay. Here we go. Now, who are they? They are friends. What are they doing? Oh, they are eating dinner. They're having bread, salads. They're eating food together. They like talking. Dinner is fun. They are sitting and talking about their day. Sure. What else? Oh, they want to see their friends. They want to enjoy. No, we didn't learn enjoy. What else did we say? They want to... They want to have fun. They want to listen to their friends. Okay. They are happy today. They sit at the big table and eat dinner. They are talking and eating dinner. They are drinking and talking at dinner. They have a lot of food. They have a lot to drink. They have a lot to talk about. What else? There's so many things that we could say about this using the words that we have learned before. It's amazing how the simple things that we have learned in the last couple of lessons, you can turn into a simple story, a conversation. You can talk to me. You can talk to your friends. You can look and say, oh, I know, and make up an answer. It's cool, right? You are better at English than you think you are. And once you stop trying so hard to be perfect, you start to have fun with what you know. And that is how you really learn English. You don't worry about mistakes. You have fun using the things that you know. It's awesome. I am really proud of you. Tell me more. Think about the words that we have learned and describe this. Write it down below. What do you see? Use everything that we've learned, and you will be amazed at how much you can write, how much you know. It's so cool. I will see you for the next lesson. Goodbye.